Another a tar. Oh no, that's not a tar. Actually, looks like ew. It looks more disgusting. Hey, I hear the music. Oh no, it's right here. Oh wow. Get out of here. Where's it though? Oh. There, that's why. Get out. What's it? What are you doing? Hey, I see the shadow. What do I... Look at the legs, shadow. How is it moving like that? Go here a little bit. So cute. Try to follow you home right now. Where's home? Have that chicken! Chicken! Eat this. Don't you like chickens? Don't you like hen? Don't you love hens? Oh, what am I doing? Okay, now this. Look at all these plorts on the cabinet. Hey guys, I'm playing Slime Rancher 2. It's finally out, and I know the songs, but not all. What is this? What is this little fella? Look how adorable you look. I can run. It's still the same button as you. Wait, do I hold? No, I don't. I know that. They look so adorable. Their coral hue is specifically present to. That's the usual. You fracked the slime. Time to put it in here, right? Am I right? They're so adorable. So adorable. They're more cuter than usual. Even their voice is still the same. What the no? Listen. Ah, wait. The slime splash is different. Where is the exit? Is this the ranch like usual? This is a new place. Sorry, I actually skipped the. What? Hey, Rainbow Fields. This is like ranch. I'm not ranch. Dry reef. This. I love this slime. Where's the new slimes that I haven't found yet? Hey, it's another statue. The difference is it's more thicker. Buddy! Huh? Cute. They're like a cat. Cotton slime. A hop, a skip, a jump, and no, it's gone. Why does it look like the tabby slime? Hey, the same thing that shoot plorts when they eat. Is that a bunny? Can they eat? Oh, yes, they can. Oh, wait. Oh, my laco. Look at that. It looks so fat. Even that. Look at the flowers. That doesn't look like rainbow. I think there are some actually coming out at the night. And why is it at the night? So many bunny. Wait, I can't fly. I literally forgot. I'm new. What's this? Hey, what's Cuteeeee, right? Chickadoo. I don't think I need that. I want hang. But it's fine. What is that? Is this a phosphor? Looks like a phosphor. It is a phosphor. Give me the phosphor. What's the Largo one look like anyway? Another a tar. Oh no, that's not a tar. Actually, looks like ew. It looks more disgusting. Hey, I hear the music. Oh no, it's right here. Oh wow. Get out of here. Trying to real life, but die. That creeps me out, kind of. This is actually for. Where's it? Where's it though? Oh, there. That's why. Get out. Where's it? What are you doing? Where's that spot? Is that a lark? I mean a fatty? Oh. Chicken. Give me the plort. You're too late. Oh no. So many tars actually. Stepping on the head. It's just literally flying. Ooh, what's that for? Oh, another Largo. A jiggy. This is so cute, adorable. Eat that thing. I want your plort. Why does it look so weird when I do that? It's like an X-ray. It's like an X-ray vision. What should it look like when an X-ray another slime? Oh, it's a morning. I'm trying to X-ray another slime. Literally, it still looks the same. Hey, I see the shadow. But what do I... Look at the legs, shadow. How is it moving like that? Go here a little bit. X. Oh, that's a spot for, like, evilness, I think. What's that? Let me check over there. Was that a tabby largo? Yes! Oh my god! So cute! I really need to borrow his home right now. Where's home? I need some plorts, but look at all these. I'm gonna kick those tiny ones out, actually. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna kick you out. It's just too much stuff. Or probably I'm gonna save them for later. Okay, what are you? These are buddies. Hello. You can have this chicken. Have that chicken! Chicken! Eat this. Don't you like chickens? Do you still like that stone hand? Yep, literally still likes a stony hand. This thing likes the water thing. Don't you like a hen? Don't you love hens? Oh, what am I doing? What's that? Don't you like chicken? Have this chicken that's literally here. There we go. Now he's happy. Shoot. What am I doing? They're so cute. They're so adorable. They're like a gold slime, actually. You can stay in, but you can literally just need to bounce up there. They look kind of hungry. I'm gonna find some food for them. Even the little other guy. Just now, I literally sound like a tangle slime. Yeah, I literally just sound like that. Ooh, what is that? What is that? What is that thing right there? Is there a moon around here? Hey, there is. Still a slime moon. What the? Oh. Those reports. I'm just gonna find food and we're done. Really? Just that part? So many snacks, actually. How many is maximum? 20? Looks like it's actually 20. Watchword can have that. Really? That's just enough? I really need to explore a lot, so I'm just gonna keep playing. If like tomorrow I'm gonna play some more. You can have this snack. Oh, this guy's hungry. I literally shot him and then he's hungry. Eat this thing. Eat it. Aren't you hungry? There. Phosphoric and Atlas. Look at all these plorts that I have. He's already trying to play to eat. I can eat that. Or the tabs. Here. Menu. Yep, have that. Have that be a Largo. Stop it. Why do I always pick up this fatty? Get out. Why isn't anybody eating that on the corner? Why? Because they're bouncing around a bit too much? Looks like it's actually almost maximum. Look how much money I have, but I usually got 3 million. Which one should I buy? Vacuum. Yes, I want a vacuum. He's a vacuum cleaner. I literally just got 0. Anyway, guys, maybe we should end this right now. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Why is there a leftover carrot here? I'm just gonna give it to these guys because they have. Oh no, one of them is hungry. One of them is so hungry. Have this. Bye-bye. This is so adorable.